Video, let me show you the way that you can create an account of Dailymotion. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how Genic. Dailymotion is similar to YouTube, often used by publishers or creators for niche or a regional audience. The way that you create an account of Dailymotion is either you can use the website of Dailymotion or the app. This tutorial is going to be through the app of Dailymotion. If you don't yet have the app, open up the Play Store or the App Store. Search for Dailymotion and you should be able to see the app which says Dailymotion Video App. You can just tap on install and the app will be installed on your device. Once the app has been downloaded, you can tap open the app. Now there are two ways that you can create an account, either using your email address or the Google account. If you tap on the Google option, you just need to select the Google account that you're trying to link to Dailymotion and then you'll be able to be signed up. For this video, however, I'm just going to use the email address. So if you're also planning to use the email address, you can tap on the email address option. Once you typed in your email address, tap on continue and then create a password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long, has at least one letter, one number, and a symbol. Once you created your secured password, you can now tap on continue. In the next step, you need to select your date of birth. So type in the year, month, and the day. Once you type in your date of birth, you can now tap on join Dailymotion. And there you go. After that intro, your account of Dailymotion now has been successfully created. Lastly, what you can also do is tap on verify email and a verification link will be sent to the email address so that you can successfully verify your email address. So that was the process on the way that you create an account of Dailymotion. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.